Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Apia Mera from Mera Multimedia Academy, and today we are talking about one of the most common and most dangerous cyber attacks, which is phishing.
Well, phishing is a type of cyber attack that is designed to trick you into revealing your personal information. The most common form of phishing involves sending you an email that looks like it is from a legitimate company or organization like your bank or social media site. The email will ask you to click on a link and enter your login information, but the link actually takes you to a fake login page designed to steal your username and password. Once the attacker has your login information, they can use it to steal your identity, access your bank account, or even take over your social media profiles. We have to note that phishing attacks can also come in the form of text messages, phone calls, and social media messages. So what do you do when you suspect a phishing attack or you are involved in a phishing attack? Well, the first thing you need to do is to be skeptical of any email, text messages, phone calls, or social media messages that ask you to click on any link or provide personal information. Look for things like spelling mistakes or strange requests, and always double check the sender's email address, phone number, or social media account. But how do we really protect ourselves from phishing? Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your online account by requiring you to enter a code sent to your phone or email. It is also very important to use strong and unique passwords for each of your accounts. Do not be the usual 12345 or ABCD guy or lady. Many phishing attacks also use malware to steal your information, and having an outdated computer or antivirus software can make you vulnerable to these type of attacks. Always update your computer and softwares to the latest version to ensure maximum security. To conclude, phishing is very dangerous, but by following the steps mentioned in this video, you would be able to protect yourselves from any phishing attacks. Be sure to follow or subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification icon. If you were not watching this on YouTube, then go to a link in my bio to see a link to my YouTube channel, and there are more cybersecurity videos there. Till we meet again, ciao.